Hey everybody, welcome back. I've been on a bit of a lock picking kick lately, and I thought it might be fun to take a look at the kit that I carry around. Maybe we can generate some discussion on what we find useful when and where. So let's take a look at what I've got. All right, here we go. I'll tell you up front, this is basically a Sparrows Tuxedo kit with a couple extra things added in. Notably, I don't use the Tuxedo case. I use the Sentry case, largely because it has this molly on the back, which is the perfect place for a molly gym. Getting into the case, I keep my kinetic tools on this side, tension and picking tools on this side. Let's start with the tension tools. We have two bottom of the keyway tensioners. All right, so one Z style and one twisted. Moving on, we have a set of heavy bars and the full set of top of the keyway tensioners. For picks, like I said, it's just a tuxedo kit basically. So we have two standard hooks, one in 25 thousandths, one in 15 thousandths, and then the offset hybrid. For rakes and kinetic tools, the triple peak, the diamond, city rake, and snake. So I think this here is actually the tuxedo. I do keep one special tool, the shining jewel in my case, the octo rake. I love octopuses. Octopuses. I love the 8-legged weird alien sea creatures. Plus the shape is something that isn't featured in the rest of the kit. So there we go. That's the kit that I keep on me. What do you guys carry? Let me know. All right, we'll talk to you next time.